just what the doctor ordered to supersize your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Holiday fun is one of the things I think the doctor orders, and relaxation and celebration are things that we need the doctor to order for all of us, especially when we're growing and building and supersizing our business. But our idiom today is a relatively new one. It's been around since the 1900s, and it of course means the ideal thing, the perfect thing, exactly what is needed or wanted when it's needed and wanted, right? Maybe you get some surprise or some much needed funding to supersize and grow and help expand your business, whatever it might be for you. Maybe you find the ideal person to help you grow and build and supersize your business. It's different for each and every one of us, just as our physical health and well-being individually is different for each and every one of us. So is the health of our organization, the health of the business that we are building to make the world a better place, of course. So this idiom, I was thinking about, well, what are some ways that this can be used to describe creating a healthy organization? How do we create a healthy organization? How do we encourage within our organization and help the people that we work with to have healthy lifestyles, to take care of themselves, so that they have the energy and the enthusiasm to help us build and grow something amazing in the world? Well, some of the ways we can do that is, I think the most important way is to set a good example. If you take care of yourself, if you exercise, if you eat right, if you hydrate, if you take short breaks, if you walk, you can have things like standing meetings where instead of sitting down for 3 hours and hashing everything out, you have a 15-minute standing meeting to discuss a specific topic, or maybe even just a 5-minute meeting. But instead of all sitting and eating donuts and drinking coffee, maybe you have a hydrating drink or something and stand around and talk about the topic at hand. There's a lot of different creative ways to incorporate health and healthier lifestyles into our business so that we have the energy to grow and build and supersize our business, because it takes a lot of energy. It takes a lot of health, and that comes from things like eating right, hydrating, sleeping. That means we don't work 18 hours every single day. Been there, done that. Doesn't work very well. But it does work for sprints, but we can't do it on a long-term basis, or there's no such thing as can't, but we don't choose to or want to, because it means that we're not living a very balanced life. And I don't believe in balance, like everything's equal, but I do believe that we have to pay attention to each of the different areas and aspects of our life. So you can offer things for your employees to encourage them to have healthy habits, like subsidized spa or gym memberships or yoga classes. You can create some physical related health and energy type competitions within your organization. You could have, an annual picnic type event and incorporate games and prizes in that, etc. It's all kinds of fun, creative ways that I've done it in the past, and I continue to do it moving forward. But I still will contend that the biggest, best thing you can do is to set a good example. And I remember prior to my sudden cardiac arrest, I did not set a good example. I was not, I thought I was a good leader, but I wasn't, because I was just crazy and doing everything all the time. And that partially led to my sudden cardiac arrest. But after that, I like to think I'm a much better example now in terms of taking care of myself and encouraging other people to take care of themselves as well. Because that is how we can supersize and grow our business. If we're all bringing our best self to the table, to the game of building our business, because we're healthy and energized, we've had enough sleep, we're eating right, we're taking care of ourselves, we're not participating in activities that are physically harmful to ourselves, and you define what those are for you, then we have the energy and the desire and the motivation to grow and build and supersize our business. Share in the comments below your particular idiom with this. I could tell doctor stories probably till the cows come home, because my physical past, my physical health has been challenging over the decades, and I've had some of the weirdest experiences you could imagine physically, which meant I've talked to and seen a lot of doctors in my lifetime, literally hundreds and hundreds of them, and followed the doctor's instructions, but seldom feel like I got what I needed out of those in terms of really becoming a better, healthier human being. It wasn't until I took charge of that, took charge of my health, and actually figured things out for myself that I started to improve and get better and get the results that I wanted in my life from a physical health standpoint. And the same is true of our businesses. We can get advice from other people, but it's up to us to take action and implement the advice that we get, or take the steps that we need in order to grow and build and supersize our business, because nobody cares about it as much as we do. No one's going to do it for us. They'll do it with us, but they're not going to do it for us. All right, have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow and build your business? Have an amazing day.